all, thank you for Crio for giving me this opportunity for attending the drive with multiple companies. I was in dilemma how to move my non-IT into IT. So I'm basically from HR background, holding 6 years of experience. So then I have seen a advertisement in this Instagram, and I have found it is a quality curriculum which they are providing. Even I have taken the feedback from the previous who got placed. Okay, after that, verifying everything, I have approached Crio and I have started my course with Crio, and the curriculum was very good. And the time to time, customer support team is available to clarify our doubts, whatever the situation, whatever the timings might be. Today for the walk-in, it was very supportive. The preparation session was very damn good. They were actually taken 3 mock interviews and 1 preparation session yesterday, which was very useful for us. It has built our confidence. That's good about Crio. Experience with this walk-in drive is damn good. Crio has given us so much of pressure by sending the continuous information about the preparation and all, how to prepare and all the inputs was very helpful for us.
Okay. So as being a working professional managing studies, so what motivated you and balance everything, how it has been till now?
See, the timing never clashed with the Crio because it's around, the timings will be from around 8:30 to 9 o'clock. It's a starting time, and around 10:30, 11:30 it is to end. So timings never have a clashes with Crio. We can manage.
Okay, that's great. So I believe we'll be very joyful for having all the opportunities. So are you feeling confident after having 1 or 2 interviews right now?
Yes, I'm having confident, and I'm waiting for more opportunities to get from Crio.
Okay, yeah, that's great. It was a very good conversation. Thank you for giving so much of insight and out thoughts regarding your journey. And it was a great conversation with you. Thank you so much, and all the best for the upcoming day tomorrow.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.